Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, USB adapter, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2014 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.